Do you guys ever mix coffee with your protein shakes? It's real good. Hold on, let me take a sip. If you're a homeowner, I know you're thinking about doing some sort of home renovations, but you're probably not sure on what will bring the highest value to your home, right? I'm gonna cover the top 5 things that you can do to start bringing the value up in your current home. If you're a first-time home buyer or just got your home recently, you might not be sure on what the first thing you should renovate is, right? So it's gonna be depending on your budget. Obviously, you have to budget within your means and what you can afford at the time. Number 1, I would say your flooring. One of the biggest impacts and like the biggest eye catcher is your floors. Once you upgrade your floors, your whole house changes, the whole feel of it changes. I recently helped one of my clients buy their first home. It was a beautiful 1-story home, but the carpets were dirty. They were tore up. I think they were renting this property out, so the tenants did not care about the carpets. They had white carpets that turned gray. So the client was worried about it. She wasn't sure how much it was gonna cost. I got her in touch with one of our installers that does flooring to give her a few quotes. After she got the quotes done, she felt so much more comfortable going forward to purchasing the house because the cost was a lot lower than what she expected. Once she got her floors done, wow, the house completely changed. It even looked bigger than before. So don't be afraid to get quotes and to ask a realtor for connections to installers that are gonna help you get your home the way you want it before you move in. Number 2 would be your light fixtures. A lot of homes are outdated, and the main reason it looks outdated is because the light fixtures are 10, 15, 20 years old. Change your light fixtures to a more modern, and all the light bulbs, if you can do LED daylight, will really bring a lot of brightness into the home, and it will give it a more modern feel. For example, here at this remodel, there was a wall that was covering the kitchen and separating the dining area. So we took this wall out and we added 2 pendant lights here just to give it a more brighter feel, a more modern look. Before we jump into number 3, I wanna talk about choosing the right realtor. You wanna make sure you work with the realtor that can get these things handled for you before you move into the property. I do real estate here in Las Vegas. I help my clients buy and sell homes every single day with the assistance of renovations, repairs, and anything they need for their home. If you can upgrade your kitchen cabinets, it's gonna increase the value of your home dramatically. Probably one of the top things you can do to a home is upgrade your kitchen. Kitchen cabinets right now are very popular, soft close style. These are called shaker cabinets. And the popular colors that the new home builders are using are a lot of whites and a lot of grays. So you will not lose if you just stay with that color scheme of the grays and the whites. For example, kitchen cabinets. This is one of the biggest remodels that you can do to a house. It brings the kitchen to life, and that's where most families spend the most time. Remember to pick out some nice modern handles. It's really gonna make the cabinets pop. Your cabinet handles will help keep the whole look of the kitchen more modern, so pick your handles carefully. The interior paint is very important. It makes the house look a lot modern and cleaner if you go with light grays. Also think about adding an accent wall. It'll make that side of the house pop and give you a more modern look. When you get a quote to get your inside painted, also let them know that you want to paint your baseboards and your doors inside the house. That way, when they're done painting, the whole interior will give it a nice brand new glow, a brand new feel to the whole entire house. And remember, when you get quotes, the more work that you give the contractor, the better deal he'll give you. So don't be afraid to ask for multiple quotes on different things around the house. That way you can get the best deal for your project. I want to touch bases on countertops. I know I mentioned it earlier when I talked about the kitchen cabinets, but if you don't do your countertops, it's not gonna look right with brand new cabinets and outdated countertops. When somebody walks into your kitchen, the first thing they see is your cabinets and countertops, so it really catches the eye. Make sure that you can budget the countertops in there. When you do your cabinets, I recommend it 100%. So don't skip out on your counters because it's gonna make a huge difference. Keep in mind that home renovations are meant to be enjoyed by you and your family while living in the home, and not expect to get all the money back when you sell the property. If you are thinking about selling your home and doing some home renovations, please get in touch with an experienced realtor that can help guide you and set up a budget for your home renovations so you can get the most money back when you sell the home. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.